delicious pressure cooker brownies.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. Starting off with a bowl and a 1/4 cup of softened butter, or butter that's at room temperature. Then to this add 1/3 of a cup of white granulated sugar, 2 eggs, and then just give it a stir just until it's mostly combined. Then we'll add in 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Stir that around until you get a nice batter. And then add in some chocolate chips, 1/3 of a cup. And at this point I realized I forgot the baking soda. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda that should have went in with the flour. But didn't really matter, just stirred it in, it was fine. And I also added 1/3 of a cup of chopped walnuts, but you can omit the nuts if you don't want to use them, or you can use pecans or whatever you'd like. This is a 6-inch baking dish. I put a little circle of parchment in the bottom, and then I gave it a quick light spray with cooking spray. And then I added the brownie batter into the bottom and spread it out so it's even. Then you're going to cover that with a piece of aluminum foil. Make sure the edges are nicely sealed. And then I made a little strap with another piece of aluminum foil. And I did that just so that it's easier to lift the pan in and out of your slow cooker. Now in the bottom of your pressure cooker, place 1 cup of water. And you'll need a trivet or something in the bottom to raise the pan up. Now this is what the Kasori pressure cooker comes with. It comes with this vegetable steaming tray. Now the problem is you can't put a pan on it because it has a stem in the center. But if you get some pliers and a little bit of elbow grease, you can undo the nut in the washer and it comes right off, and you can put it back on if you need it. So this is perfect to put in the bottom of the cooker to keep the pan out of the water, and then just lower the pan right on top of it. Then you add your lid. Now your pressure cooker might be different, but for this one, it's a Kasori. I put it on manual. I set the time for 20 minutes manually, and I also increased the pressure to maximum, and then I pressed on. So basically after the 20 minutes is up, let the pressure release naturally for about 5 minutes, and then do a quick release, and then remove it and allow it to cool completely, and there it is. Now as you can see, it's not a full-size brownie, it's like a mini brownie. It cooks up really quickly, and you know what? Maybe you could have a dessert for 2 big pieces. Here's a close-up of what it looks like. Now this doesn't have quite the same texture as an oven-baked brownie because the edges aren't crispy, and it has more of a more rubbery kind of a texture, but they're super fudgy and they are delicious. And you can dress these up with a little whipped cream and a little bit of chocolate syrup. This is really good, and you can make brownies really, really fast and you won't heat your kitchen up. I have other pressure cooker recipes on my channel. I put them in a playlist. If you want to see it, go ahead and click on your screen, and don't forget to subscribe while you're here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.